Hi, I'm David Davis from Actual Tech Media. I'm excited to be here at Diablo Technologies offices in Silicon Valley. I'm joined by Mr. Kevin Wagner, who's the Vice President of Marketing at Diablo. How you doing, Kevin?
Very good. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Thanks for being here, and thanks for helping to educate our audience about something really cool, something really hot, and something really innovative that Diablo's doing. So tell us what you got there. What is Memory1?
Okay. So Memory1 is our latest product and technology that we've been working on for a while now. Essentially what this is system memory. So this is basically 128 gig. This one here is 128 gig of system memory that goes inside of a server. Put 8 of these into a server and you have a 1 terabyte machine. If you put 16 into a server, you're going to have 2 terabyte of application memory inside of the server. We're working on a 256 gig module that would allow you to go up to 4 terabyte on a single 2-socket server.
So this is flash storage on a chip. Is that correct?
Yes. Think of it as flash memory.
Okay.
Simply because it is flash, but it doesn't show up as storage. So it doesn't show up as a D drive. It shows up as actual application memory. And it works in concert with DRAM inside of the system. So you can think of it as we have a software layer of software-defined memory that allows you to access all of the memory inside of the server, and it's transparent to the operating system, to the application. The user doesn't know what's happening under the hood and doesn't need to. What the user knows and what the application knows is that there are a couple of terabytes of memory inside of the server, and then we manage all of the memory transactions inside the server. So this is meant for the memory transactions of an application.
Very nice. So, I mean, a traditional server has DRAM. Here you're able to use flash as memory in the server and get a massive amount of memory thanks to the capacity of the flash storage, right?
Yes.
So, you know, what kind of companies are using this and what kind of applications need this type of memory?
Yeah, good question. So there are a lot of different applications that need and use a lot of memory. Think about the big data type applications, right? You have Hadoop running where there are massive data sets that are being worked on. And then you have infrastructure applications that run on top of Hadoop like Spark. And Spark will help you mine the data, analyze the data, find the hidden patterns that you want to be able to see inside of the data. And Spark allows you to do this in near real time. So there's a use case where people are running Spark and they've got applications on top of Spark that are accessing that data, analyzing that data, and they're really using it to drive their business decisions in near real time as they mine and analyze the data. So that's one example is big data analytics.
Okay.
Another one is database. Applications like MySQL, you can imagine having a couple terabytes of memory in a single server is going to be huge for databases of all type. Relational databases, NoSQL databases, those could really use a lot of memory inside of a single server. And it's all about getting more work done per server. Another use case is caching, right?
Okay.
So if you think about like Redis or Memcached, these are caching tiers that a lot of the web scale type of companies are using to get data to a user very quickly. So they'll have a Facebook or a LinkedIn or a Twitter, they'll have tons of data. Obviously their data sets are massive, but the amount of data being accessed is a portion of that. So they'll run things like Redis and Memcached, which are basically caching tiers full of memory, and they will serve 95% of the data that's being accessed. That keeps the burden off of storage and keeps it all on the caching tier. So for things like Redis and Memcached, this is going to be a perfect solution for that.
Awesome, awesome. So, I mean, are there other similar products on the market today?
People have been talking about this for a couple of years now. We haven't seen anything similar to this yet. The nearest we can tell is that we're probably about 1.5 years away, maybe 2 years away from other solutions like this in the market. So I think for now, we have a nice little window and we see a lot of demand for it. There are a lot of companies that are really wanting a lot of this memory, so I know the demand is there. So I think we've got a window here for about another 1.5 years, maybe 2 years or so.
Absolutely, a very cutting edge, unique, innovative product from Diablo. Where should people go to learn more?
So people should go to our website, diablo-technologies.com. We have quite a bit of information there about Memory1. We have some infographics that kind of explain what it is and how it works. We have a white paper about Memory1. So there's definitely more information there to find.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Kevin.
Thank you. I appreciate it.